Blue Bloods van Huka. From the dam line of SIAC Royal Star and Tsar Hero. Blue Bloods van Huka is sired by the successful breeding stallion Chacoon Blue, whose offspring are making great progress at 1.45 m, 150 level at the age of 8 years only. He also inherited good jumping genes on the dam side. Great Grand Dam Quicksilver BZ performed on international 1.50 m level with Federico Gonzalo Dandares-Bidegain, and she is a full sister to the 150 level competing KWPN approved stallion SIAC Royal Star, who was ridden by Cameron Hanley. This direct line also produced 150 and 160 level horses like Tsar Hero and Top Hero.